The Legacy Builders 2.0 review. That's right, the Legacy Builders 2.0 review. And once again, folks, it's PaulyB coming at you right outside the Big Apple, New York City, and talking about reviews. Well, folks, Manhattan, the Big Apple, money capital world, is always getting reviews and crushing it. 160,000 people come to Manhattan daily. Did you know that, folks? That is huge. But when it comes to selling digital products online, did you know $1.7 billion is paid out to those of us selling digital products by the year 2027? It'll have become a $1 trillion business. That's right. And we are crushing it with the new Legacy Builder 2.0. The future of digital marketing. Don't you love this thumbnail? Well, folks, it's not only my thumbnail, but now it's Kevin Patrick Sutton's thumbnail. Who's Kevin Patrick Sutton? I'm glad you asked that question. Well, he just joined PaulyB's inner circle. Big shout out to you, Kev. We're getting to know each other. He's over in Canada. He's a hard-working guy. We're the same age. We hit it off like peanut butter and jelly. And folks, you can too when joining PaulyB's inner circle. Well, is that all you did for him, PaulyB? Has made him a thumbnail? Well, folks, I did more than that for him, and I want to do that for you. Legacy Builder 2.0 Growth Creator. It's a new launch, and I want to be your growth creator, folks. I want to make 2025 your best year. I want to help you build generational wealth with Legacy 2.0. Folks, listen. Legacy Builder Program 1.0. It crushed it. And I consider this one still in its infancy stages. It's just a few weeks, a month old, folks. It is crucial. Timing is key. A good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. Proverbs 13:22. I need to ask you up close. Can you build generational wealth with Legacy 2.0? Well, folks, people are doing it. And they've already done it with Legacy Builder 1.0. Michelle O'Neill, almost $5 million. You think she's building generational wealth, leaving an inheritance to her children's children? Amy Tannehill, Daryl Hannah. Folks, I can go on and on. Jesse out of Virginia, Victoria Roman, average people from all walks of life, ordinary people who are coming in to Legacy with no tech skills, no followings, no experience, people who've never made money online. Yes, I'm still excited. And I want to inspire you. If you've never made a penny online, if you've tried program after program, MLM, internet marketing, courses, programs, and if you failed like me, like PaulyB, I'm just like you. I've retired more MLM programs than Social Security. Folks, you can do this. I'm just an average guy here in the Garden State, New Jersey, right outside the Big Apple. I used to be an exterminator. I was the pest control guy who comes in your house, sprays for ants and roaches and all that stuff, even bed bugs. But the recession hit. The pandemic, you know the story. And I fell. I just didn't fall out of business. My phone didn't just stop ringing. I fell on my knees. I was in dire straits, folks. I went from being pretty much wealthy to nothing, and my wife started looking at me, Angie, and she looked at me with that puppy face. What are we going to do now? So I ran to my laptop, and I found a buddy of mine, James Famba, out of New York City. He was on Facebook making $900 commissions. And I took the plunge. And here I am with a new online business, working 2 hours a day. Folks, if you miss this one, you've missed it. I know I'm talking to someone right now. You've landed on this video by no coincidence. You have a desire, am I right? You have a dream to join Legacy 2.0. You've been on the sidelines watching my videos, other videos. I want to sponsor you. I want to mentor you. Be your mindset coach. What, Kev? We were up till like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning doing a live Zoom together. I'm showing him everything. Everything I do, I will show you. You can copycat. Let me just get into it. Enough said. Let's just dive right into this. I'm going to take you over to my page here, and I'm going to show you what we've done together, Kevin and I. And what's the keyword we used, Kev? I think it was Legacy Builder or Builders. How am I? He's over in Canada. Why am I talking to him doing a video? Okay, here we go. I think it was Legacy Builder 2.0. Okay, well, there I am with my video, and here's Kevin. Notice something, folks. 76 views in 5 days, and we got this one up for him yesterday. 76 views, because I took some time out to get him off and running. He's doing this as a side hustle now. But my goal for Kevin and 1,000 more people in PaulyB's inner circle, let me tell you this up close. My goal for 2025 is to take 1,000 people just like Kevin who are in the 9-to-5 grind, who are working 2 and 3 jobs, who are on that hamster wheel. I want to teach you how to stop trading your time for money, to work smarter and not harder. I want to teach you to boss up so you stop getting bossed around. And there's never a better time, never a better niche than digital marketing. Everything's digital, folks. And you can do this. So he's ranking high, sometimes higher than I. He's ranking high. I'm teaching him how to get up his digital real estate. Folks, on one video, listen closely, on one video with Legacy Builder Program 1.0, I had ranked the same thing here with 1.0, with Michelle O'Neill's video. Yes, she gives you her videos that you can download on your device and upload them to a YouTube channel. I'll teach you how to do that. And with one video, I've made close to $20,000. Let me say that again. I got my video to rank not on Google, but on the YouTube search engine. And with that video, I've made almost $20,000. Let that sink in for a minute. Folks, getting in Legacy Builder 2.0, it just recently launched. Take my advice. Join now. Join PaulyB's inner circle. And you will crush it. So let's go to his YouTube channel. Is that all you did, was put up a thumbnail and just a video? No. I built Kevin Sutton, thanks be to God. I built him a brand new YouTube channel. And He has 3 videos up thus far. We got him. We worked on this together, right, Kev? And he's doing great. I'm teaching him how to get these videos up himself. I'm teaching him how to do SEO. Teaching how.
And so I want her to share, because you guys
teaching him how. Hi, Michelle. Big shout out to you. Teaching Kevin how to get comments. And we give each other comments as well, to reply to those comments, because it's just not getting a video up, folks. Once you shoot out that video, within a week, you have to help that video not do the Google dance or the YouTube dance, because you might see it up there for a minute, and a couple days later it goes down. I will teach you how to backlink, how to get that to stick, so you don't have to do your videos in vain. Folks, you can already see I know how to rank them. That's just one keyword, folks. That's just one keyword. And I want to show you how that you can get your videos to rank as well, just like Kevin's son. And he's doing that, folks, right out of the gate. Right out of the gate. Now, let's go over to the platform of System.io, and let's see how it's going with the sales. Most sales are going to come in for you that are going to be $900 commissions. There's 4 packages, $900, $600, $300, $100. On the average, people are coming in at the $900 package. And folks, this is just one of my payment gateways that I receive. I also have PayPal. I also have Stripe. I also take Zelle, Cash App, pretty much all payment gateways. And you will have that also on your done for you funnel. That's right. Legacy 2.0, just like Legacy Builder 1.0, is a done for you funnel. It has everything done for you. The same funnel that just brought Michelle O'Neill up to almost $5 million, she's giving you that funnel. And all you have to do is drive traffic to the capture page. You'll have a capture page that's highly converting. They put their email in that capture page. It goes to an autoresponder. For the next month, every day they receive an email. You'll build your email list that does all the selling and telling, and make money around the clock, 24/7, like thousands of people. Yes, folks, like thousands of people. Now, I was just on this live Zoom with Jen. And it's still live because I'm at the Digital Growth Community. And this is what you'll be getting. Mindset training. Folks, mindset training is huge. I'm doing this live with you now. I'm taking you over to this mindset training. And folks, it's still going on. This is live. It's a highly interactive program. You'll have me as a coach.
Recording in progress.
Thank
Awesome.
you.
You have a beautiful smile.
Let's listen in.
Thanks, Tola. Okay, who is
Folks,
next?
this is live.
This
is going on
Let's
right
see
now.
Here, there's a lot of people. Wow. Let me see here. Tiffany, I love your profile picture with those glasses. Tiffany, go ahead and open up.
Hello. I am new.
Welcome.
I think maybe a week or two. I have a couple videos done.
Good job.
But it does take a lot of work, and I do get in my head when I'm making them. And I do feel like I have had maybe a couple hundred views on each video, but
Okay, hold on. Let me stop you right there.
Folks, I just left that live meeting. Listen closely. That is a live mentoring mindset coach meeting right now. And what I love about this program, and personally, what I have learned in mindset that's incorporated into this program since I've joined in 2024 of April, I've had a paradigm shift from lack, survival mode, victim mentality, now to victor mentality in the ocean of abundance. You could have that too. Folks, you can have the same thing with Legacy 2.0. One day at a time, going into the training modules one by one, learning and earning at the same time. You can do this. And folks, it's working for thousands of people all across the world. It's a global opportunity. When I joined, listen closely, when I joined last year, there were 5,000 to 6,000 members. I predicted that would quadruple. It has far exceedingly past that. It's 51,735 members right now. 51,735 members are now in the digital growth community. It's on the school platform. We're going to the Wins tab. And this is where I love to get inspired. And there's Victoria Roman, first on the Wins tab list, screaming. She has just hit $500,000. She has just hit $500,000. Stop there for a minute. Do you know why it's called legacy, folks? Because we're building generational wealth. Folks, if you miss this program, I cannot instill urgency. How important. If you're watching this video, go into the bio, go to barlettamarketing.com. I want you to give me a call for inquiring minds, 862-658-2086. 862-658-2086. I would love to speak with you. Folks, it will work for you. Disclaimer, not everyone is going to believe what I say because they have scam mentality. Folks, this program works. And we share each other's wins. There's Dan Bellin, back-to-back $900 days. I know Dan, not personally, but him and I compete. Big shout out to you, Dan. I see your videos. You're doing great. I love your competition. I'm learning from you. Perhaps you're learning from me. And I know you used to be a monk. And I know you perhaps know the scripture, iron sharpeneth iron, Dan, so a man sharpeneth the countenance of his friend. I love the Bible, Dan. I hope to speak with you one day. Call me. Or give your number. Let me call you. And there's Sam out of South Africa. He used to be a school teacher. He just bought his mother a home. 300, 600, 100 in the last 10 days alone. Big shout out to you, Sam. Keep up the good work. There's Daniel Pace, 2 $900 sales. There's Milani, hope I'm pronouncing that right, $600 ding tonight. Folks, have you seen enough? Have you seen enough? For those of you on TikTok, Instagram, go to the bio, get some more info. Go to the bio, get some more info. I would love to sponsor you, mentor you, be your mindset coach. Let's have fun, folks. Let's make 2025 your best year. I'm talking to you. Let's do this. And you who are working that 9-to-5 grind, you better boss up and stop getting bossed around. And may God richly bless you and your families in 2025. Take care.